Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Food, Places, Poetry and Creativity. So today again I bought an educational video for our lovely kids. And hello kids, good evening children. Hope you are doing well. Hope you are happy and healthy and engaging yourself in all types of interesting activities. So last time we did nouns. So what are nouns? Nouns are naming words, okay? Names of people, places and things. And today we are going to do action words, okay? What are action words? Which tells about the action of a noun, okay? The action done by noun, and it is called verb. Like Arfa sings beautifully. Okay? So, Arfa is a noun and sings is verb because it is a action. It is an action. So, verb is what? Verb is an action word which tells about the action a noun is doing. So, like the river flows through valley. So, flows. Okay? Flows is a action. And she watches the TV, okay? She watches the TV at night, okay? So, watches or watch or watching, okay? They are action words. I'm going to school, so going tells about your action. So, it is a verb. The teacher sang rhymes. So, sang is an action, okay? So, the teacher, the noun, okay? And what action she did? She sang. So, action word is sang, okay? It is a verb. So, I like to draw. Draw is verb. I walked for an hour. So, walking or walked or walk is verb. It tells about the action. Mother was cooking. So, cooking is action. It is verb. It shows about an action. He was writing a letter. So, writing is verb. It snows during winters. Snows. It is an action. It is a verb. She was speaking loudly. Speaking is verb. I stirred soup with spoon. So, stirring. What is stirring? Stirring is an action. So, it is a verb. He threw the ball. So, threw is verb. I washed my hands. Wash or washing or wash is verb. The man carried the veggies. So, carrying is a action. Carrying is an action. It is verb. I purchased a book. Purchased is an action. It is verb. I love dancing. So, dancing is a verb. They laughed together. Laugh. To laugh is action. The bird can fly in the sky. So, fly. To fly is action. Flying is action. The bird is flying in the sky. Means it tells about the action of the noun. And what is the action? Flying. So, flying is verb. I love to swim. Swim is verb. It tells about action, the activity. She drank water. So, drank is verb. He fell from his bicycle. So, fell, okay, or to fall is verb. I packed my bag. So, packed is verb. Now, to lift, okay, I lifted the pot. So, it is a action you are doing. When you lift something, it is an action. So, it is verb. Lifting is verb. Brush, okay, I brushed my teeth. Then jumped. He jumped from the tree. So, jumping is also verb. Then swallowed, okay, He swallowed the tablet. So swallowing is also action when it is a action. Catch, okay? I'll catch the ball, okay? So to catch is also a verb. Then twist, okay? I twisted the paper, okay? So I twisted the wires. So to twist, it tells about the action. So to twist is also, twisting is also verb. Then scream. She screamed on top of her voice. So to screamed or screaming or scream is also verb. Then search, okay? Okay, I searched for the boy, okay? So searching is also verb. It is a action. Snatch, okay? She snatched her pencil from him, okay? It is an action, verb. Blink, okay? We blink with our eyes, like, see, it is blinking. It is an action, okay? So my eyes were tired, so I blinked, okay? Then bury, then yell, then paint, okay? Paint is also action. I love to paint. Yeah, painting is my hobby. Then knock, okay? To knock. Knock is also action. And she is painting. Painting is also action. It involves action. So she loves to paint or she's painting. So that is also verb. Then open. He opened the door. So it is also action when you open. Okay, that is also verb. Then pray. Okay, she is praying. So praying is also action. It is verb. Then clap. Clapping is also action. So it is a verb. Okay, we clapped our hands after listening to her melodious song. Okay, so clapping. Clapping is also verb. And then what else? Weep. She was weeping. She was sad. That is why she was weeping. Weeping is also action. And I hope children you have understood. It's very easy. So next time I'll be doing adverbs with you. Okay. So hope you like this session, and then keep improving yourself. Keep reading and keep making your language rich. See you next time. Lots of love to all of you. Stay safe. Bye-bye.